Hello, everyone. How are you all? Hope all you are doing good. So today is vocabulary day. Vocabulary. Why? What is a vocabulary? And why do we need a vocabulary in our lives? See, we all need a vocabulary. Why? Because in everyday day-to-day life, or we visit some place, we go somewhere or a fancy place, we all need to hear few words in English conversation, right? So that's why we need to build our vocabulary. Vocabulary can have many words, thousands and millions have many words. So when we understand about new words every day, suppose I went somewhere to my friend's house, or maybe he or she use a new word. So what I will do, I will check in my phone that what's the meaning of this word. So that is a vocabulary. I added a new word in my vocabulary today. So like this, we are working in a corporate sector, in offices, we all need a vocabulary, right? In every day-to-day life. That's why we all need to build a good vocabulary. That's why it's important in any language. We start with the basics of that language, and we need to understand, or we learn few words. What are the meaning of that words? Okay? That is the main thing that comes first in any language, whether in English or any other language you learn. Okay, so now we all do not need a large vocabulary to build first. We will start with a small vocabulary. Slowly, step by step, you can build a large vocabulary for yourself. That is not a concern now. So we will see the word of the day first here. What is the word of the day? Let's have an introduction about the words. The word of the day is here. First word on the slide is curious. Curious is eager to know, that you are eager to know something. Brave. Brave means is not afraid. You are not afraid of anything. Proud. Proud is you are proud of something. You're feeling happy about success. Polite. Polite is having good manners. You are disciplined already. You are very polite. You have good manners. Careful. Careful is you are cautious about something. You are acting safely. So those were the words of the day. You can learn every day simple and basic words. So we have few words. Can we have many meanings, like we call them synonyms. What are synonyms actually? Synonyms mean similar words with similar meaning. Different words with similar meaning. Light. Light can be brightness, or can say not heavy. Like we say, I want a light breakfast today, or I want to have a light dinner today. So that is light. Light can be a light, that light like a lamp or tube light or light. Or another one is a light. You feeling light. You need a light breakfast or dinner. That is another word, light. Bat. Next is bat. Bat is an animal, or bat can be a tool, sports tool, like in cricket. Bank. Bank is a money place where you keep your money in bank. Is a bank, right? Riverside. Riverside is also called a bank. Then the next word on slide is park. Park is you park your vehicle, right? Or park can be a garden. Next is fair. Fair is a fun event. Or fair can be an equal. Equality also is a fair word. Okay. Now we use some boring words in our lives daily. So it's time to replace that boring words, right? So this very word is too common now. It's too common. We need to replace it with single words. Very big, like you can say huge. Very small, you can say tiny. Very happy, you can say I'm excited. Very angry, if you are angry to someone, it's too angry, you say I'm furious. Very tired, you coming from your office, you say I'm exhausted today. So now we have some confusing words also that creates a confusion in our mind. We don't know, we need to use the bring, or we need to use take word. So bring or take. We have another word, borrow or lend. Hear or listen. Say, tell, buy, sell. Those were some confusing words. Now let's say I give you some clue about the words. I say it's an animal, have trunk and it's too big. So what would be? Elephant. I say in a hospital they treats people. What you will think? Doctor? Yes. If I give you another clue, it shows time. What it could be? Clock. Okay, if I give you another word, say like you are reading, you read them and they are books. Where do you read books? Usually in a library. Next, I say colors in the sky. What it could be? Rainbow. Okay, go to next slide. We always make some mistake while correcting the sentences. Usually we say he did a mistake, but replace the did with a made. He made a mistake. It's not correct. He did a mistake or she did a mistake. It's totally wrong sentence. Let's correct it today. He made a mistake. Next is she is good in math. No, this is wrong. She is good in math. No, she is good at math. I agree. No, I agree. He has many furnitures. No, it's wrong. He has much furniture. She don't like milk. This is wrong totally. She doesn't like milk. Okay, now it's practice time. I'm giving you here some vocabulary quiz questions. Let's do it together. Okay, what is the first one? Fill in the blanks. She stayed blank even when everyone else was panicking. See, I have given words to use. You can choose any correct word that we can fill here in this blank. She stayed dash even when everyone else was panicking. She stayed calm. It's important to be dash when giving feedback. It's important to be what we can be. It's important to be honest. It's important to be honest when giving feedback. Okay, next slide. A soft pillow gives dash while sleeping. What a soft pillow can give you? Comfort, right? A soft pillow gives comfort while sleeping. Next is he made a difficult dash between two job offers. He made a difficult choice between two job offers. Okay, friends always dash each other in hard times. Friends always support each other in hard times. Okay, all you can check the answers at the back. We have few multiple choice questions here for practice also. Okay, let's say which word means eager to know? Eager to know or eager to learn? Curious, right? When you are curious to know something, that is the word curious. Which word means doing something well without wasting time or your effort? You don't waste your time. You don't waste your efforts. You're doing it with ease. That is efficient. Which word means doing something well without wasting time or effort? That is efficient. Which word means willing to give or share? It's generous. Okay, which word means paying attention to one thing? If you pay attention to one thing, you concentrate. That is focus. You're focusing something. Which word means to change to fit new conditions? You adapted that. That is adapt. Right? At the back, you can check the multiple choice answers also. Okay, I have given another slide questions in true or false form. Being curious means not caring about learning. Is true or false? What is curious? Being curious means not caring about learning. This is false. Because curious means is you are eager to know. To focus means to pay attention to something. Yes, the focus is the right word here, to pay attention or something. Generous people never share or help. No, generous people always share. It's false, right? Can check the answers at the back also. Okay, are you ready to make now some sentences? If I give you few sentences, you can try it yourself. It's a do it yourself. Okay, you have to use the word efficient in a sentence and try to make few sentences. Use the word adapt in a sentence and try to make few sentences. This is you have to try yourself. Okay, see you in next session. Thank you so much.